So back here at the shop, we were looking for a dust collector for the CNC shark right here. So we got this RIKON dust collector. So it basically comes with everything you need to wall mount it. Right here it comes with the collection bag right there. Plugs into 120 volt electricity. Comes with the mount and the hardware, and it comes with 4-inch hose that attaches to here. The only thing we had to do was put an adapter on from the 4-inch hose to the 2.5-inch hose for the CNC machine. But yeah, so let's take a look at this. So if you aren't wall mounting this like we did, we have a handle on here that you can use to move it around, and it is pretty heavy, so you're gonna need some help if you do end up wall mounting this. But let's fire it up, so let's see how it sounds. Not very loud at all. Okay. It's got good pressure to it, not very loud at all. See the on and off switch here on the top? 1 horsepower. Let me shut this off. So obviously the smaller the bit, the closer the boot is to the wood that's being routed, and the more wood chips you're going to get pulled up through here. But basically you got a whole kit here, whole dust collector kit from RIKON, 1 horsepower, everything you need to get going, and the mounting hardware and everything. And so if you're looking for a dust collector kit, check this one out by RIKON. Check it out.